So today I'm cooking thin pork chops. They normally call them breakfast pork chops. All you basically need is the salt and pepper and all-purpose flour and vegetable oil. So I'm going to start out by seasoning these with the pepper. Salt. Then I'm going to flour these. Put my heat on there. Put the medium high heat there. Get your grease hot before you put anything in there. So now my grease is hot. I'll go ahead and put these in. Pause it. As I'm cooking, I just shake my pan a little bit. Looking good. Flip those over. So we've been frying these for about 4 minutes. I'm going to start to turn that golden brown. They don't take very long to cook because they're so thin. Nice. And I'll turn these back and forth several times. You don't have to cook them on one side and then I always like to cook them and turn them. So these are just about ready to come up. I always get a plate with paper towel to drain them off on. Now that's the way you cook pork chops.